Good morning, Mom. Today, I'll present to you the different kinds of Chinaware and their uses. First, we have dinner plate or large plate or large. It is 10 inches 25 ml in diameter. Second one is fish plate or half or sweet dessert plate. 8 inches 20 centimeter in diameter. One bread and butter bread plate or quarter plate or side 6 inches or 15 centimeter in diameter. And we have soap torrent used for a container or a soup for dinner. Soap bowl without handles with saucer 240 ml. Consomme cups with saucer 240 ml. Another one cup and saucer 180 ml. Another one teapot or coffee pot used as a container for a pot or a hot coffee. One coffee and hot sauce cup saucer used in serving coffee or drink. Cereal bowl 350 ml used for cereal. Nut bowl or monkey bowl 50 ml used for nuts. Dish used for fish, gravy, dish, chips, and other. Soap pot available with sauce, trays in silver and hollandaise gravy for sauces for desserts such as chocolate and caramel sauce. And if we have crusted, decorative bottles used a container for liquid sauce, vinegar or wine, etc. And the last one is bud vase, used to contain the flower and decorative for the table. That's all.